In this video, we'll do question number 2 of exercise 1.1. The question is, find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Let's first understand the information given in the question. And it says we have to find how many rational numbers? 6 rational numbers. And what is the condition on those rational numbers? That those rational numbers should be between 3 and 4. So the first step is write 3 and 4 and write them again in the form of P by Q. So 3 can be written as 3 by 1 and 4 can be written as 4 by 1. Now the next step is multiply both of them by same number. What is that same number here now? This same number is decided by this number. Whatever number is written here, choose the next number. So after 6, the next number comes is 7. So we multiply by 7 here. Okay. Every time you have to choose the next number. So this becomes 21 by 7 and this becomes 28 by 7. Now we'll simply write down 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4 are 22 by 7. That means we'll write down all the numbers which lie between 21 and 28. So 23 by 7, 24 by 7, 25 by 7, 26 by 7 and 27 by 7. So the answer is this.